Guys, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually, we'll be having this very hair on our YouTube channel. Yeah, this is Ali Grace hair. It's a straight wig. It's a straight wig, Brazilian straight wig. Closure is a closure wig, Brazilian straight closure wig. Guys, I love this hair so much. So I will show you guys how the hair looks like, and Miss Muhammad here will be the one to rock this very hair. Guys, this hair is from Ali Grace hair. So I'll be dropping the link down my description box. I'll be dropping a discount code so you guys can have a discount on this very hair. So I'll be dropping everything on my description box. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation and the hair will look like. So you all should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Mama YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some.
Yeah, guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, this is how the hair comes. Ali Grace hair. I love the packaging. Let's open it and see what's inside. It comes with this very pamphlet. Is an instruction on how to take good care of this hair. You can take good care of this hair at home. You don't need to take it out. You can wash the hair by yourself. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you all can take a look at it. Can you see that? Yeah, it's an instruction on how to take good care of this hair. So trust me, you can do that yourself. And it comes with this very wig cap. You don't need to buy a wig cap. It comes with a wig cap. So let's open the hair. But before then, let me try to explain something to you all. It's a straight hair, Brazilian straight hair, 18 inches Brazilian hair. Yeah, and it's a closure wig. Can you see? Oh, wow, guys, I love this hair. Can you see that? It's a closure wig. It's a closure lace wig. So it comes like this, and at the same time I love the finish and everything. So definitely you don't have to worry with this closure wig, because definitely it can secure hair properly. And this how the hair is. Can you see? I love this hair so much. It's an 18 inches lace straight wig. So trust me, this is one of the best hair I've ever come across. Trust me. So you all should please stay tuned. Let's fix this hair on Miss Muhammad so you all can see how it looks like, and please just take a look at how you fix it, because it's very easy. In just a minute you're done. So you can do that at home. You don't need to go to a salon. You can do that yourself at home. Yeah, can you see what I'm talking about, guys? This how the hair looks like. It's a closure wig, 18 inches Brazilian lace wig. Guys, I love this hair. Trust me, I love this hair. Whoa. So this bonding glue that I will be using today for Miss Muhammad, but actually will not be applying much, because after this content she'll be taking it off, because we're having a lot of transformation that we need to do with this very hair. But let's just apply just little so that she can take it off after this content. So you all should please stay tuned. I love you guys. So let's blow it right a little bit. And let me tell you something, guys. Actually, if you're the type that you don't like all this kind of stress, you need a wig that you can just put on and just maybe go to office or just go out. This is the perfect wig for you, because it's very simple to install. In just like some minutes, just 2 to 3 minutes, you're done. So you all should please stay tuned and see how the hair looks like. we'll be needing this band to tie, but we'll not be tying it that tight because just as I said, she'll be taking it off after this very content, because we'll be having a lot of transformation with this very hair. You all know that. I promise you a lot of transformation, but this is the hair I'll be using, because this is the perfect hair for different kind of transformation, because you can coil this hair, you can straight it, you can style it just the way you want it to look like. So you all should please stay tuned, because I'll be showing you all an example of coiling this hair. You can wow, I'm short of words. I love this hair. So can you see that? Can you see? Can you see how the length is? It's an 18 inches length. I love the length. I love everything about this hair. Can you see? Wow, guys, I love this hair. So silk. I love it. You all need to please try this hair, and I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Yeah, apart from this hair, they have a lot of different kind of hair. Can you see how the hair looks like? Just check out. Wow. I'll be dropping the link down my description box, guys, and I'll be dropping a discount code for you also, that you can have this hair at a very affordable rate. This hair is so cheap. So let's take off the lace so that we can do the baby hair. You know, some people like taking off the lace, the extra lace that's before installing the hair on their head, but I prefer this very method. And you saw Miss Mama, she's so happy. I show you guys, this hair is one of the best hair. Miss Mama loved this hair so much, so you all should please stay tuned. Yeah, we need to use a little bit of mousse to just bring the hair down so we can style the baby hair. So you need to use this because to just, you know, the flowers, calm the flowers. So guys, after the making of the hair, you need to use a foundation on the lace, like to bring out the color of your skin, so that it matches the color of your skin with the lace. You all know what I'm talking about. So can you see that? Oh, it looks so good. Let's add a bit of it. You know, I need the lace to look just exactly her skin tone. So let me try to do what I've been explaining in a sense. Like, if you need this hair to be straight, fine. But if you want to coil it, this hair got you. So let's try to do the coiling thing just in front of her face here, just the front hair. Let's try to coil it and see if it will come out properly. Don't forget, this is what we are using to just coil the front hair. So let's see how it will come out. Whoa! Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. So let's do the other side too. Yeah, you can use a stretcher to just curl it. Yeah, guys. Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. She looks so gorgeous, guys. You all should please comment down below. She's so happy to rock this hair. So let's meet Muhammad do some modeling, some modeling. You know, she loved doing all those kind of things. So let's have to do that for all you guys. I love you guys. Mwah.
So guys, that's the end of the video for today. Truthfully guys, I so much love this hair. It's silky, soft, smooth, and it's lightweight. Actually guys, you can style it differently. You can coil it, you can bleach this hair. Can you guys see? This hair is from Ali Grace Hair. We will be dropping their link down our description box, their Instagram handle down our description box, so that you guys can reach out to them. And we'll be dropping our discount code down our description box so that you guys can reach out to them.
So actually this hair is from Ali Grace Hair. I love this hair so much. It's a Brazilian straight wig. It's a closure wig, 18 inches length. So let me show you guys how the length looks like. 18 inches hair. So Miss Mama showed how the length looks like. This is how the length looks like. Miss Mama, please turn around. Let them see how the length looks like. Can you see that? Yeah, I love this hair so much.
So guys, Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. Don't forget to subscribe to Mary J Black YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, Mix Muhammad, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. We love you guys. It's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black, and Mix Muhammad
in the building. Very